Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to build an Angry Bird slingshot. Now, first let me show you something here. Okay, so I put 3 of the small blocks together. I hope you see that. 3 of the small blocks together, and I cut them off. So, I already built this slingshot, so I'm going to show you how to build this slingshot for your minifigure and how it works. 1 second, I need to put the screen will be black for a minute. Hold on. Okay, got it. You see these 3 blocks? First, you want to do this. You want to put this block on top of this block like this. See? Give it a few minutes to do that. Now, you're going to put this block. Oh, where is it? Okay, wait. This block on top of this block like this. Now you have this. This is the base of the slingshot. Now you're going to need these 2 pieces right here. Oops, give me a sign. You're going to need these 2 pieces right here. And you probably already know what I'm going to do. Now you can put these on. Hold on 1 second, please. Alright, so you can either put it in the front or in the back like this. See? I like to put mine on the front because it looks more like real 3D like. And you can also have these 2 pieces on it. You have to have this. Alright. Put this block here. Oh, let me just show you how I did this. 1 second. Okay. Sorry for all the noise in the background. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, you can see this. This is how you put it. It has to be like this. Now, this is a simple block. You're going to put this block on. 1 second, I'll show you how to do this. Now, you gotta put this block just like that on there. See, it looks like it's pulling back and trying to sling. Then, you put this little block at the edge of it, at the end of it. 1 second here. Sometimes it'll fall apart because it's not really that good made. And now here you go. You have a slingshot. You're probably wondering, how does this slingshot work? How does it activate? Well, I'll show you. You put your minifigure on there, sitting up or sitting down. I'll just put him standing up. It'll be, oh, I guess I'll put him sitting down. Yes, put him sitting down. Okay? We got him on there. This looks cool, doesn't it? Now it has a little slingshot. You can just go. Alright, I'm going to hold this up while I'm trying to show you. Alright. Okay, 1 second. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. See that? Now, you're probably wondering, how did I make him sling like that? I simply just attach the block back, and then you just hold these 2 pieces like this, and there you go. Like that. Alright, ready? Here we go. Alright, that was cool. So, anyways, 1 second. I hope you like this idea of this slingshot idea, and I'm going to be getting Lego Red soon, hopefully, maybe, I don't know. And, we could test them out on the slingshot, because I like to see Red on the slingshot more than Sonic, because Sonic doesn't really do this kind of stuff. Yeah, I don't really do this kind of stuff, but thanks for introducing me to the video, guys. And thank you all of our subscribers. And yeah, so this is my slingshot now. And Sonic, let go. Oh, fine. Now go somewhere else, okay? Alright, bye. I hope you enjoyed this slingshot tutorial, and you could put anything else on here if you like, but I just recommend a minifigure. It'll be better. So, yeah. Bye for now.